Hello, everyone. Just wanting to let you know that these are pictures of the cat who's called Mr. Bojangles. We just helped him here at the Animal Sanctuary at the Magnolia Zen Center. He had very matted fur and was roaming outside. We got him to have his hair trimmed and microchipped and then returned to his owner who lives down the street. They seem to have some problems in keeping up with the animal care. But now we know each other and support each other so that Mr. Bojangle is really doing well. Thank you for all your support.